Sentences before you. My dear audience, we know that our country was under British rule for long time. At first, our India was called Golden Bird due to well-to-do and prosperity. There was neither poverty or poorness, but Britishers were rule of our country. They took away all the wealth from here. Our industries and domestic business were destroyed. Our country became poor and people starved to die. Their cruelty was intolerable. Seeing this, the educated and scholar persons thought to get out the Britishers from the country. The Muslims, Hindus, Sikhs and Christians gathered on one platform and decided. All the people of India started revolution to get out the Britishers from India. Muslim leaders were in the first and foremost rank. There were no any religious difference between freedom fighters. From Miran to Delhi, no any tree was on which the dead body of the Ulama Deen was not hung. At last, on the 15th August 1947, our country became free. Since then we were the citizens, democratic India. We got rich for regular schools. Now we must form a new constitution. A committee of 300% were formed. After deep thinking, our constitution was ready and implemented on 26 January 1950. Since then we celebrate the Republic Day in every year on this day. According to the new constitution, every and each citizen had right religious freedom, right to education to live anywhere in India. Thus, six rights offered to the fundamental rights. Unfortunately, some community parties grew in this country. They forgot our sacrifices. Now we are being called terrorist, dahshatgard, etc. But don't discourage. We must gain education well and march forward. We should not do any destructive work. We should good to make our country strong. We can never wear the country destruction this national festival. Celebrate to increase the brotherhood with others and serve the country honestly. In this occasion, we must remember our martyrs who freed the country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.